If you're using Davinci Resolve Studio version, then you might know about Magic Mask. It's a very useful node which allows you to remove any background just by selecting your subject. Very nice. But one little major problem is it's very heavy on your system. That's why a lot of time when you open your project, all the masking data just goes away. To avoid this problem, I used to do this. Add a background node and change the color to green. Then add a merge node and connect the magic mask to green input. Then finally connect the merge node to media out. So basically we're making this into a green screen video. Now you can go back to the edit page and then render in place. And finally remove the green screen and make some adjustment to make the keying more better. And there you go, you have removed your background and you don't need to worry about losing it in future. But that involves too many steps. And not to mention the time you have to spend to remove the green screen again. So recently I found a new method which I would say is better than this one. So what we are going to do is export this video as a transparent background. So to do that, let's first delete the background, then go to the deliver page. And here first change the format type to QuickTime, then change the codec to GoPro Cineform and the type would be RGB 16-bit. After you select all those options, you will see this export as option appear. This is the option that will make your background actually transparent. So be sure to tick that. Then you can add it to the render queue and then export it as normal. Oh, and one thing, make sure to select the area you want to export by using in and out point. So I'm gonna hit I and O and then export this one. Now if we just drag and drop the video file, you will see the background is transparent. And there you go, you are never gonna lose your background ever again. And plus, because it's a rendered video, the playback would be buttery smooth. And that's it. Before I go, I would like to show you more options in case the previous one doesn't work. So you can also choose the codec DNxHR. And for the type, just choose any one which has this export alpha option. And you will be good to go. But one thing you should keep in mind, in the previous codec, the GoPro Cineform, the file size is 37 MB. And in this codec, DNxHR, the file size is 200 plus MB. So keep that in mind. And if any one of you using Apple device, any MacBook or Mac, then you have the best codec, which is Apple ProRes. And the type would be Apple ProRes 4444. It not only has the best output, it also have the lowest file size. So if you have that, make sure to use it. Sadly, for the Windows user, GoPro Cineform is the best option. Let me know your thoughts, what you think about this method, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.